For the first time ever, I went to CES and I ended up being sick the entire time. So my content plans kind of went out the window. And so I'm left with a bunch of random clips. And so this video is sort of a compilation. So you'll see things like me walking on the floor, and you'll also see me interviewing companies and just kind of getting random product shots. So this is a compilation of my experience at CES 2020. This video is brought to you by Privacy. Buy things online using virtual cards instead of real ones. New customers will automatically get $5 to spend on their first purchase. That's free freaking money. Go to privacy.com/swashin to sign up now. Smart toilet. Yeah, Dominic called down. I actually need to use the bathroom real quick. Oh my Jesus. Okay. It looks like someone actually used it earlier today and doesn't know how to flush.
Yeah. Coming in. Yeah. Flex. I just wanna win. Yeah. LABB who we running with. Yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Yeah. State your name. Big Ben dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass. Slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the Fit Lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in. Yeah, flex. I just wanna win.
And is there a weight limit? Am I gonna break this?
No, 440 pounds.
Ah, stop.
Tightening.
Definitely need to lose weight. Let's hope this works.
It's an easy way to lose weight.
Yeah, it's great. I already lost 20 pounds. I can already feel it. I'm gonna be in the next Avengers movie. That's enough though. I'm not trying to get too skinny. All right, so we made it to the weirdest part of the show. We have sex tech for every bedroom over here. And people are getting very handsy over here, trying to learn, and they're asking for demonstrations. I don't feel comfortable. We're gonna keep going. They look very familiar. They're only $10 though. I'm gonna ask if I can have one. How much are they?
Different price.
Different price?
Yeah.
What's
How much is this one?
For this one?
Yeah.
30. 30.
Wow.
30?
Yeah.
Whew. What's the cheapest one you have?
The back, the most high-end one.
That's high end? Okay.
With two cameras.
Two cameras?
Cameras. This one can make the facial recognition to
Oh,
unlock
really?
the screen.
Do you have any free samples for people that are a little less fortunate, like me?
For what?
Do you have like a free sample so I could wear a watch?
Actually, no.
No? Dang.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, well I tried. Thank you. Damn, what time is it? I have no idea now. I'm Rick Harris and this is my pawn shop. Surprised he doesn't have any friends up there giving him advice. You know, people always get ready for Christmas way too early. There's actually a Christmas tree here right now. Just a little bit early, like 12 months early. Some people walk really slow here. Hi, I'm good, thank you. Okay. Alexa, can I have a regular Coke, not cherry, please?
That sounds awesome, but I only have Coke Energy. Go ahead and
Literally
give it a
not,
try.
okay. Sure, it's cherry, but okay, thank you.
There you go.
Can
The one you wanted?
I swap it for the regular?
Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Don't worry,
Yeah, no problem.
I don't bite.
All right, so we got it. We were able to get the goods. We're here at the booth. We're not sponsored. Could be. So here it is. Dominic, my videographer, and definitely nothing else. He's not important, so I'm just going to call him a videographer. He's going to try it out. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
ASMR.
I do not approve of those noises.
It's actually really good. Yeah.
Does it taste like normal Coke?
No, so I tried the cherry one yesterday. This one tastes like normal Coke. Like, I don't taste the difference between there being energy in it or caffeine. It tastes exactly the same.
Except now you're going to be wired.
Woo! And if you're pregnant, though, or breastfeeding, you shouldn't drink it.
Shit.
So we do everything geeky. Anything that's going to affect the actual
Kill 'em.
consumer.
He's obviously never played a game before. He doesn't even know how to aim.
All right, so we just checked out the Arcadio gaming chair. It's the world's first connected gaming chair. It's literally got like, it's kind of like, I'll say, having a subwoofer in the base of the chair. So you'll feel everything. There's actually like haptic points and stuff. So we were just playing Battlefield. We didn't really get great footage, but we were able to feel it on our entire body. And it connects through USB-C. It's like a MagSafe, so it'll actually disconnect. It's got RGB, got a full-fledged gaming app and everything like that. Works with every single game. This is super cool. It is going to cost about $800, and it's going to come out later this year, September. But this is like next level. Really, if you're a true gamer and you want to feel like next level real-time feedback, like if you're in a racing chair, this is what you get. It was actually a very comfortable chair too. Dominic was actually in it. Was it comfortable?
Very comfortable. I really liked it. I would become a gamer if I had this chair.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to game, but he actually liked it. So we're going to check this out more in the future. Hopefully we could do a review. But let's actually see if we could, well, they're still over there. But okay, we're just going to go because I'm awkward and I hate myself. Here we go. Hey, look at all my fans. Ha, ha, ha.
I want to give a shout out to Privacy for sponsoring this video. You have your credit card, right? And you want to buy something online from, let's say, a random retailer. What you're doing is saying, hey, here's my credit card. Make sure you keep it secure and you don't let other people see it. Yeah, well, I hate to break it to you, but not every company is going to keep your credit card secure. So what if you were able to just generate a one-time virtual credit card number that you could use specifically for this purchase? Well, with Privacy, you can. And to take this to the next level, I'm actually gonna go make a purchase right now and show you how it works. I've always wanted to buy a discounted gift card, and well, I'm gonna try it today because I don't have to be worried. I'm not giving my actual credit card number. So it looks like total, it'll be $89.95. I'm gonna create a card. Spending limit is gonna be $89.95. I'm gonna make it a single use. So here's our one-time use credit card. I can just click it to copy and let's go ahead and use it. All right, so I filled it out. Here's a moment of truth. Let's go ahead and make the purchase. All right, place order. Let's go, baby. It worked perfectly. Back on the Privacy dashboard, here's the transaction. Bada bing, bada boom. As a special treat for my viewers, new customers will get $5 to use on their first purchase for a limited time only. Yeah, that's right. That's free money, buddy. Go to privacy.com/swashin and sign up now.
So this time we do it another way around. So I'm the editor and Matt is my keyboard assistant, and he's holding our brand new switch in his hands. That's the Cherry Viola switch. We're going to bring it to market later this year, but we announced it during CES. This is a true mechanical switch for the value market, so the people that are using hybrid solutions or rubber dome solutions, they will really appreciate this switch because they have now the chance to buy a full mechanical keyboard with Cherry switches in the value segment.
The next few clips don't have any talking, so I'm going to provide a quick voiceover. But basically, I visited Asus, and man, oh man, they were by far the most exciting out of all of my visits, not only because of the size and the amount of things they had to show, but just what they were doing with the tech. You know, simple things like a mouse. It seems stale at this point. Not a lot of changes have come out, but they had some exciting things, and I'm really excited to personally try some Asus stuff. And I've already used Asus in my computers, and I'm hoping to kind of use them in my setup. They have gaming chairs, all these things coming out. Really, really exciting. And I just had the most fun there, but I recorded some random clips, didn't have any talking in them. I wish I had done more again. Didn't feel great, but here we go. That was just my quick little voiceover.
All right. I don't smell too good because we're at a convention. I think it's time I hop in the shower. Ooh. That is real water, I can confirm. Why is it so close to my face?
Because I don't know how to use it.
Imagine your butthole right here. Okay, maybe not.
He's got it over here.
Thank you, appreciate it. Man, you got your butt puckered up right there. You're just gonna wanna spray that maximum speed, change your water temp, position. Want it up the rear? No problem, here it comes. We're gonna meet a robot. Hello, robot. Does it talk? Will it be my friend?
It's just prototype now.
Because I need friends. I don't have any friends. So. Will it shake my hand? What does it do?
It's guidance robot, but now it's not working.
Oh, come on, man.
Sharp.
Very cool. Yeah. Well, it's nice to meet you, even though you don't work. Have a good one. Yeah, it's okay. Does she have feelings?
Oh no.
No? Yeah, you suck. No, I'm just kidding. If you ever come to CES, let me give you an insider tip. Everything on the outside, on the perimeter, is usually not fun. It's all about what's in the middle. So, we're going towards the middle. Hi. Can I try one of your chairs?
Yeah, you can check.
Am I too big for it? Am I too fat for it? Or no? No? Because someone told me I was too fat to use it, so.
Oh,
No? Am I too big?
a little bit, but I think
A little bit? Okay.
Yeah, I think that's okay.
Okay, yeah. I'm always told I'm too fat, but I'm gonna give it a shot. All right. Hold on. Oh, didn't want to break it. Good? Okay. There we go.
Good for you. The size.
Yeah, very good. Might be fat, but it works. You guys have music? Speakers?
Yes, speakers.
You play rap music? Okay, cool. Thank you. Got my hand out of there. Oh, God. Oh, what the hell? Buy me dinner first. Gee, oh, God. It's very painful. I did one of these the other day. It's kind of, oh, it's in my butt. It's in my, Dominic knows because he did it the other day too. It does kind of go in your butt a little bit, but just briefly. Dominic says it's the best part. I will argue that it's definitely not the best part, but there's a lot of sex toys here at CES.
Flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LA BB, who we running with.
Bro, you've been here for an hour. What are you doing?
Sleeping. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are in beautiful Las Vegas, and that's why my face is dark, because this view is just too beautiful. This trip was not as great as I would like because I was entirely too sick to enjoy it, which sucked because I was super excited. I've always wanted to go to CES. Can you turn the plane down? This wasn't exactly what I wanted. I wanted to have a lot more footage and content. This is all I was able to produce. Great trip nonetheless. Thanks to Dominic for being my videographer and stuff like that. I'll leave a link to his channel down below. But that's it. Send out from Las Vegas. Again, Matt Philly, swashintv. Get out of my face, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop.